Crypto influencers selling you the next 1000x coin. Has anyone else noticed that the amount of crypto influencers has quintupled in the last 3 weeks of this bull market? All of a sudden, my whole TikTok feed is all these new people telling you, hey, I've been telling you about this coin for so-and-so. If you would have listened to me, you would 100x. I mean, they do a very good job at getting people to FOMO and think they're missing out. Like you look at Bonk and they're like, if you were in this went up 110 times. No one was in it where they got 110 multiple. Only the people that created it were up that big. Also with these small caps, a lot of the volume is fake. They just trade it back and forth between each other and it makes it look like there's volume and people are actually trading it. A lot of these small cap coins, they have zero liquidity. It's all fake. So, only the insiders are making these 100x and the influencers that are peddling them. So they go to an influencer, they get equity in that coin, and then they talk about it on social media. Then it goes up, they dump their bags to you, and it's crazy. So don't get caught up in this. Don't have FOMO. Don't think everyone else is getting rich but you. These guys a couple weeks ago, no one was pumping any of this stuff. They're all coming out of the woodwork right now. And to me, all these altcoins only exist to steal your Bitcoin. Bitcoin is going to be the next world reserve currency. It's like buying New York real estate. And these altcoins are just these circus sideshows that are going to steal your Bitcoin. You're going to try to trade and you're going to lose your money. And you could have just dollar cost averaged into Bitcoin and made a ton of money. And I think a lot of people are going to have regrets about trading these altcoins and getting rug pulled. And they're going to look back in a couple years and be like, oh my God, I could have just bought Bitcoin. It's at $1 million. Like, what was I thinking with all this other garbage? And the other thing is, even if you pull off these successful trades, who's to say these exchanges don't go bust? How many people had these 100x trades on FTX and the whole exchange went bust? Binance is a ticking time bomb. Who knows what happens with any of these exchanges? So you're just really risking it on all fronts. So just be careful. If you're new, you're coming to the market, you see the price of Bitcoin at $43,000, you're like, it's too expensive. I'm going to buy this $2, penny stock. It's the equivalent of buying Apple stock. It just kept on giving returns and returns for years. And that's what Bitcoin's going to be. It's going to be like buying Amazon stock. And a lot of people didn't buy Amazon stock because it was too expensive. They wanted a small cap deal. It's not the way to go, and don't have price bias. So this is my advice to you. And, if you're interested in Bitcoin mining, it's not a scam, it's passive income, it's not get rich quick. And if you want to buy Bitcoin miners, check out the Bitcoin Capitalist link in the bio.